When did you have your first encounter with God?
I would have to say as a boy, because I grew up in the church. And when I was about 7 or 8 years old, I grew up in a Baptist church and walk the aisle and give your life to Christ. Well, I did that, and I was baptized when I was about 7. But when I got married at 23, my first year was spent traveling Colorado as a salesman in a motorhome with my new bride. My mother had given us a living Bible for a wedding present with our names on it. So we did what everybody does. We stuck it in a drawer somewhere because you can't throw it away. But during the day while I was making sales calls, Betsy, who is my ex-wife, who was a studious reader, started reading the Bible. And at night I would come home and she'd read it to me. And we were amazed at what we saw. I think the book of John and the book of Ecclesiastes and the book of Proverbs were where we spent most of our time. And out of that, we made a decision to become Christians.